Imagine a townhome that fits your lifestyle, beautifully designed, low maintenance, and close to everything. Welcome to Beech Glen, a new Ryan Homes community in Anderson just off Beltline Connector. Nestled just off US 76 and only 5 minutes from I-85, your commute is simple. You'll also appreciate daily essentials. Dining and shopping are just around the corner, making life easier every day. Here, convenience and comfort come together. Beech Glen offers thoughtfully crafted townhomes with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a garage, designed for how you live today. Choose the plan that suits you best, including an option with an owner suite on the main level for easy, accessible living. At Beech Glen, it's not just about the home, it's about the lifestyle you'll love. Pickleball courts for active days and friendly games, a pavilion with a fireplace, the perfect spot for gathering all year long, and a dog park designed for your pets to run and play. Outside of the community, discover local breweries, coffee shops, and trendy eateries. Get outdoors at Lake Hartwell or take a walk or ride on the East-West Parkway Trail. Enjoy golf courses, scenic parks, and culture at the Anderson Arts Center. From lake days to local downtown events, there's something for everyone. Ready to make your move? Your perfect townhome and lifestyle awaits at Beech Glen. Schedule a visit and see why Beech Glen is the ideal place to call home.